One more time.
You want some of this? No, not this. This. 2021 Ford Bronco. How do you enter? All you have to do is go to stangmode.com, and every $1 you spend is an entry in. Good luck.
What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well in great spirits. Welcome to the all-new nitrous breathing Hulk. That's right, our 2020 fully built GT500 now has Nitrous Express. That's right, our friends hooked us up. We're so excited. We're gonna have a dyno video at the end, all this good stuff. We're gonna have Chuck at Seat On Tech walk us around. I'll give you a personal walk around first about what we have here. Looks very docile, just like a standard 2020 GT500. But there's more than meets the eye. Let me show you some trick stuff that Chuck did, because I said, listen, I want it to look, I want it to feel very much, you know, seamless. So, check this out. Oh, look how cool this is, guys. This beautiful nitrous on-off switch is right here. So, we're on, and if it's down, we're off. It automatically closes it by itself. How trick is that? So well done, so cool, and we have the purge switch right there. Very well done. I still have access to my paddle shifters. I still have access to the purge and the purge. Not the movie, but it's pretty cool. I always saw this when I was younger. I always wanted the purge of nitrous on a 500 to come out of the Cobra's mouth. And we have that. And I'll demonstrate that to you as we get further in the video, but it's right here. Perfectly set up here. Nicely drilled hole, gonna come out. And let's show you where the coup de grace is as well. We have we're gonna go to the hood too, but I love how clean this is, guys. Look right here. Very seamless. Right there. The bottle warmer, the Nitrous Express, it's all set up, very nicely wired by Chuck. It's all here. We still have our sound system, you know what I mean? We still have it set up. I love the way this build's turning out. Super clean. Of course, we're gonna race this at race motive. If you can come out 9.4, let's check out under the hood. Love how clean that looks. Let's go. Oh, this is one of my favorite parts, actually, is how clean the engine bay looks. Of course, you saw last video, we have the Performance carbon fiber. We have the Nitrous Express kit right here, carbon fiber as well. It goes right into the intake. So this is literally a fire breathing, nitrous breathing GT500. So cool. But without further ado, let's bring out Chuck, talk about the kit, and then start it up, get you guys a purge, and then we're gonna end the video with some epic dyno pulls. Let's go. And remember, guys, if you made it this far in the video, appreciate you guys. The Bronco giveaway 9 is live. Go to stangmode.com, grab some merch, and to win this beautiful Bronco. All right, Chuck's ready. I'm ready. Are you? And guys, as we wait for Chuck to come out, reminder, this is an L&M built engine, tuned by Palm Beach Dyno. We have the Calm Performance ported blower, throttle body, and coulter intake. We do have the SPE 227 pulley on there, as well as we do have some other goodies, like we have the Steeda K-member, some very trick things, but we maintain the car still drives like it would from the factory, and that's what's amazing. This car is been through a lot, but I'm telling you right now, it's in its prime. Hulk's in its prime. We have nitrous. We're so excited, and yes, I know we have more things to come. If you guys don't know, we are going to do a 3.8 Whipple. We're going to keep the nitrous, and we're going to upgrade the DCT, but that comes in time, so stay tuned. We're going to get to all that content and that coverage, but for now, it's about nitrous. It's about the nitrous breathing, fire breathing GT500. Love it. So excited. Looks so good. All right, Chuck, we're here. I told the people you did a great job.
Thank you.
Talk to us about the kit, install, and all the good stuff.
Oh, I mean, it's the Nitrous Express EFI kit for the Ford platform. I forget the part number on it, but it's a fairly comprehensive kit. Comes with their Max 5 controller, which is a progressive controller. It can allow up to, out of the box, I know that it can do 2 stages of nitrous. I think it can do more. I haven't fully read through the directions. It's a pretty trick kit. Let's start up front. We'll show what we got going on. So right here we have the Nitrous Express carbon fiber sleeved solenoids, fuel, nitrous. This is our purge, so that we can get all the gas out of the system when we're ready to make a hit. Running through steel braided lines over here to the nozzle that they have. Sleeve the lines with the DEI heat shielding just to protect the lines and protect anything that they might touch, simply because steel braiding is very abrasive. So we want to protect the lines and protect the environment and keep heat out of those lines. Everything we can do to keep heat out of everything helps everything. So when the nitrous activates, it shoots fuel, nitrous, down through the lines, through the nozzle, and through the blower. We're currently jetted for 100 shot, which, as we saw on the dyno, picked up just about 100 horsepower, and it fattened the curve tremendously. It was a beautiful sight. So moving on from there, we got the bottle at the back. So we got the Nitrous Express 10-pound bottle with the bottle heater. The bottle heater is controlled by that Max 5 controller. There's a pressure sensor here which reads the bottle pressure so that it knows how much pressure is in there, and we can actually set up a range within which it operates so that it doesn't over pressurize the bottle. That's pretty much it. Nice quick release system here. So if you got a spare bottle, bing bang boom, quick.
And that's the heater blanket on there.
This is the heater blanket. Yep.
Very nice. And I want to show people the cool, very custom trick stuff you did with the, not just the on-off switch, as well as the purge buttons.
Yeah.
Talk about that. Yeah.
Yeah, with that, I used the safety switch. I didn't like the NX switch. It's really cheesy. Nothing against their switch. I know, I know that they have to count their pennies, and the switch they have is adequate for the job. But I like the fact that these switches. Let's see if I can get in here and show you.
I'll come out this side. Go ahead. You can sit down and talk to us.
With these switches, they have a safety cover, so that if that cover is closed, that switch is off.
Got it.
So you turn the system on. If you want to turn it off real quick, just smack the cover and it turns the switch off.
Sweet.
So it's a more, for me, more positive, feel more positive.
It feels very like high end. The switch feels much more high end, and I love the placement. Like, this is almost like it's made for it. Cause
yeah, I was looking. I was going to put it here. Like, I didn't want to drill a hole into this. I really didn't. You know, but
I love it.
I could have probably put it down here, but there was limited room under there. Pulling this apart, oh my God! All the clips that Ford uses is insane. But I think it was well worth the effort to do that. Moving on from that, for the purge, I didn't like the switch that they included. Plus, I offer a set of buttons, brackets, and what I call a clock spring pass-through, which allows me to mount a button on the steering wheel, or actually I could do 2 buttons on the steering wheel, pass the signal through the clock spring. That way there's no cords hanging, getting tangled up.
Wonderful.
And anything like that. And it's nice, clean.
Still have room for the paddles too. Those big paddles are perfect.
Yeah. I mean, it just barely fits. You got to tweak it just a little bit, but it was definitely worth the effort of doing that.
I love how clean this looks, bro.
Yeah.
Great job. I'm so excited. And we're going to race this on race mode at 9.4, but like everyone came for it, and like, let's start up, let's see that purge, and let's hear how it sounds. One more time. There you go, guys. Hulk. Yeah, we'll do one more from the side. Yeah. Love it. Great job to Chuck. We're going to finish this video with some dyno content. Stay tuned. We're going to be racing that. Chuck will be there. We'll be at Race Motive. We'll see what this guy can do. Hulk's got 100 more horsepower. So we're excited, man. Again, check out C&D Auto Tech. A lot of custom fabrication stuff he did today, guys. So if you're in the mood or you're looking at nitrous yourself, check out C&D Auto Tech. Never ends. All right, on to the dyno content.